What's up guys, Eric from Beat-Sonic here. Today we are going to be doing a walk around of this RSR's GR86. This car is packed with a lot of cool aftermarket parts. Mainly it's a street build which is taken to the track on weekends. So this is one of those perfect builds that you will likely see on all the cars being driven every single day and also like to be enjoyed by track people during the weekend because this car is a very capable track vehicle. So let me walk around and show you what this GR86 has. So starting from the front, as you can tell, there's a badge here that says Max Orido. It's the full entire Max Orido lip kit. And if you don't know who Max Orido is, he's a very famous drifter in Japan. He won a lot of competitions and you'll see him in a lot of the Japanese videos where they do a lot of car comparison. They're driving through mountain roads and passes, and yeah, just look him up, Max Orido, and you may recognize him. So this is designed by himself and his brand. So he has the front lip, the side step, and some other cool parts. This car has some wedge wheels with some Advent Neova AD09 tires, very sticky tires, great for the track. And it also has some like a rear spoiler, a little wing here right in front of the trunk, helps guide the air through, as you can see with these little fins. And it also has some parts from Save-On Carbon. It has a roof spoiler, and it also has the front fender, the other carbon part of this vehicle right here. And because this is an RSR's car also has the RSR Club Racer coilovers on here. It's tuned for the track. So for all you track guys, this may be something you're interested in. And what's different about it is it has pillow ball top mounts. I think it has camber adjustments from the top as well. Let's open the hood to see what's under there. Under the hood, it has a custom-made oil cooler. He installed it here because he does take it to the track. I want to make sure the engine remains cool. And the Club Racers do have the camber adjustments, as you can see over here. It also has dampening adjustments as well, so you can adjust it exactly how you want it, whether it's comfortable or stiffer for the track. Almost forgot about the exhaust. It also has Apexy exhaust, titanium tip, made in Japan, very high quality piece, and also very popular within the GR86 community. All right, so I think I covered everything on the outside and also the engine bay. Let's see what's inside the vehicle. Opening up the driver's side here, first thing we notice are these bridge seats. He has the reclinable one, which makes it a little bit more comfortable for daily driving. And at the same time, it'll hug you when you really need it at the racetrack. And once I sit down here, I notice our Beat-Sonic phone holder. So once you place it in there, it'll lock it in place. The weight of the phone will keep it in place. All right, and one thing that you don't see in this car, but you'll definitely notice once you turn on the sound, is our Encore Alpha Power Amplifier.
Flamingo Wildlife Habitat at Flamingo, Las Vegas to see those iconic birds up close and with free trip.
It's mounted behind the glove box right here. And if you want to see how it installs, check out our other YouTube video. We'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. You can also find the video on how to install this phone holder as well. So going back to the amplifiers, we actually have 3 different amplifier models for this car. The first one is the ENA-2S1 Encore Alpha Power Amplifier, all plug and play. And that one is 45 by 4 watts. And it also has RCA inputs if you want to add an additional MP3 player or any other audio source from the RCA input. And very easy to install, very compact, and it fits right above the glove box. We also have the ENA-3S1. The 3S1, the difference between the 2S1 is that it has the power sub outs and also has 50 by 4 watts. So you get 5 more watts and you also get the sub out. So if you want to add a power subwoofer to the car, it's very easy to do so because it has an RCA connection. It also has a remote wire too. And so you don't have to jiggle around and mess around with a lot of wires. It makes it very, very easy to install. And lastly, It has the DSP Encore X amplifier, and a DSP Encore X amplifier. What's special about it is it's a DSP amp. You could customize it exactly how you want it. And we also have it pre-tuned from us with our sound engineers, and it's made specifically for this car's cabin. We changed the sound stage so the sound comes out from the middle center here, and we optimize it to as much as we can, utilizing the factory speakers. It's also plug and play too. The amplifier is a little bit bigger, so you do have to mount it under the seat on the passenger side. And that amplifier also has separate sub outs as well to make it very easy to expand it with more speakers and a power subwoofer. Besides the amplifier, we also have our Shiftpower throttle response controller. Basically, this provides you the additional acceleration boost upon acceleration press. This car over here, it can lag a little bit on the lower end. It really helps out with that, especially as a track car. When you're coming out from your corners, it really helps push the car out faster. In addition, it comes with a lot of other features. You'll be able to tune it exactly how you want it from 0 to 100%. And there's also 3 acceleration curves to select from. And it also comes with valet mode, so your valet driver won't be able to floor the vehicle. And when you park your car, you can also turn on the immobilizer, which will prevent your car from being driven if an unauthorized person gets in your car and turns on the engine. All right, guys, well, that concludes our walk around of this RSR's GR86. Very, very cool vehicle. If you want more videos like this, let us know. Give us some ideas. And if you have a car that you want us to show, then come on down to our studio in La Mirada. We'll be happy to shoot you and your car for our Beat Social series. And once again, guys, if you haven't, help our channel, give us that subscribe button, give us that like, it'll help us out a lot. And see you guys on the next video.